Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value, and what I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, I was expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. If you take a look in the previous week analysis, I was mentioned that after this bearish candle has been formed on a Friday, suggesting decline to the first support level, the price has done that, reaching this area of support and then bouncing back up. Then we can see on Tuesday the price formed this bullish breakout above 2724.23, and this also has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders that I'm expecting that the price will reach 2751.09. Then we can see the next 2 days the price formed this bullish pin bar, suggesting further rise in value. This has been also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target was here around this area of resistance. So several targets has been reached this week for the gold, and also the target was also reached inside the premium analysis. Feel free to check the premium analysis, and I will also share the currently weekly statistics, how many of these successful breakouts has been shared, and also how many of them are being failed. So join. You have also a free Telegram if you would like, first of all, to check how this looks, where I share 1 or 2 of daily updates for the gold, so you can see how this looks inside the premium analysis. Now what we can see on the weekly time frame, this is a weekly bullish breakout where the price has reached this area of resistance, and it has bounced back down, which is normal. I also was expecting that the price will bounce from this area of resistance on a Friday. Monthly time frame shows me currently we are in the bullish mode, so this month will probably close as a bullish candle. But we can see that we have one more week where the very important support level currently is around 2742 for the price. 2742, 2751 is the support level that needs to hold on the weekly time frame, and that means the next week the price should not go below this area of support. How the market looks right now looks a little bit more bullish than it is bearish, because we can see this support level is a very important one. 4-hour time frame is showing me currently that we are in the bearish mode, so I'm expecting that the price will drop to 2763.67 on a Monday, and then we'll see how the market will react around this area of support. Will the price continue to lose its value, making a bearish breakout, or it will bounce back up, confirming this area of resistance as the next target, and also especially this one, which will be a very important one to make a breakout. So for now, on a Monday, I'm expecting that the price will drop slightly down, and then we'll see what happens on the smaller level. And if you would like to receive these updates during the day with the potential targets, feel free to check the premium analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.